In this video, we are going to understand how to make a bat fly on the game stage. In order to begin the activity, we will open pictoblox and we will go to the sprites library, and in the animals category, we will look out for a bat, and we need to give a suitable backdrop also, so we can find out for castle, and there are multiple options available. I'm taking this one. Well, this particular activity can be done in multiple ways. One of the easiest ways is that when you click on the green flag, so it should go to random position. And once you click on the green flag, so it is going to a random position, but it does not look like it is flying. And plus, it is going only one time. So we can add a loop here, say forever, continuously keep on going to the random positions like this. This is going very fast. We can slow it down. We can add a wait instruction here. Now, if we click on the green flag, so it is flying to different positions, but it does not look like it is flying, and it is taking a lot of break into that. So we can reduce the time here, say zero point 0.1 second, for example. So it is moving fine. Now we need to basically switch costume. So we go to the looks category and look out for a next costume here, and we can go to costumes category and look at the different costumes available for this particular sprite. And now if you click on the green flag, so we can see how this is working. It's going great. We can further increase or decrease the time using this wait instruction. For example, if we say wait for 0.25 seconds, so it is looking better now. The problem is it is going beyond the game stage also sometimes. So in order to fix that, we need to give different instructions for that. For example, when we click on the green flag, so it should go to a starting position first. Let's say go to XY, and we would suggest that it's going to the center of this game stage. So we will give the coordinates at 0 at 0. So every time you click on the green flag, it will first go to the center of the game stage. Now, so that this bat should not go beyond the stage area, so we need to restrict its dimensions. So we will be doing that using these two instructions: change x coordinates and change y coordinates. We will give a certain value here, like for example between -100 to 100. Similarly for the y axis also. This is basically to allow the bat to fly within this particular range and do not cross this particular boundary line. Further, we can add the wait instruction so that it should look better while it is flying on the game stage. And we can increase or decrease the size according to the number of seconds that we give in the wait instruction. I'm giving 0.1 seconds here, like this. And further, we want the bat to change the costume every time it goes to a different location. So we will go to the looks category and take the instruction next costume and put this entire thing into a loop so that it should continuously be flying on the stage. And join it here, click on the green flag. Now the bat is flying, and because we have set the dimensions here -100 to 100, so it will not go across the game stage here. We can further make it more interesting that right now if you click on the green flag, so the bat is continuously flying, and if we press any button from the keyboard, so nothing will affect it. So we can make it more interesting by adding the instructions that if we press say arrow keys from the keyboard, like right arrow and left arrow, so it should affect the movement of the bat. So using the left arrow, we will reduce the restrictions of X position, and using the right arrow button, we will restrict the Y position of the bat. So this is basically reducing the area that is going to cover while flying on the game stage. So let's click on the green flag and see how this is working for us. So once you click on the green flag, it is flying, and when I press left arrow button, so you can see the dimensions are getting decreased for x-axis. Likewise, when I press the right arrow key, so the Y dimensions are getting reduced by 20 every time. You can surely add a lot of variations into this as required and make it more interesting. Let's maximize the game stage and see how this is working.